add up. Be a satisfactory explanation for something. She explained why the work wasn't ready, but her story doesn't add up. Aim at, to target. The magazine is aimed at teenagers. Take off, remove. It was hot, so I took my dress off. Tear up, rip into pieces. He tore the facts up and threw the bits of paper in the bin. Threw away, to get rid of something by treating it as garbage. When are you going to throw away those old magazines? Try on. Put clothes on to see if they fit. I tried shoes on before I bought them. Work out. Do physical exercise. He works out in the gym every day. Wrap up. Cover in paper. They wrapped up the presents, then put a ribbon around them. Zip up. Keep quiet. He was being stupid in the meeting, so we told him to zip up. Have in. Entertain people in your home. We had them in last night for dinner. Head out. Go out. We are heading out at 7, so don't be late. Joke around. Be funny or try to. He's always joking around in class. Jump in. Enter a conversation. He jumped in and told them exactly what he thought. Keep in. Not allow someone out. The teacher kept the students in after school because they had misbehaved. Kick down. Break something with your feet. The police kicked the door down. Knock down. Hit and injure someone. The car knocked him down and she broke his arm. Lay down. Kill. Murder. He got laid down in a third war about supplying drugs. Let in. Allow someone to enter. The door staff didn't let him in the nightclub because he was wearing jeans. Light out. Leave suddenly. When Zach found out they were coming for him, he lit out for the border. Lock down. Make very secure. If you lock down, your computer properly, it is very difficult for people to access it. Log in. Enter a restricted area on a computer system. I had forgotten my password and couldn't log in. Log off. Exit a computer system. When she had finished working on the spreadsheet, she logged off and left the office. Look for. Try to find. I've been looking for all the hidden files, but I can't find them anywhere. Make up. Put on cosmetics. She went to the bathroom to make her face up. Mess up. Make something untidy or dirty. They messed up the room and left stuff all over the place.